Welcome. If you want to enable screen reader in your PlayStation 5, at the first you have to go for the settings, next move for the accessibility, and right now we have to scroll on the screen reader below, then move right here and tap on the switcher to turn it on. Right now we have to volume up, and then we can
normal button, press cross to select.
Yeah, and as you can see, it's working. So right now we are able to change our speech speed.
To move, press the up and down buttons. Normal, selected, button, press cross to select.
Yeah, and right now we can set up, for example, free fast.
Fast, speech speed, fast 3, button, press cross to select.
And as you can hear, is much faster, right? We are also able to change the volume and voice type. So right now we can switch from female to male.
Voice type, male, button, press cross to select. Voice volume, voice type, male.
And of course we can adjust the voice volume. Let me choose volume down. And here by tapping on the X and moving our sticker, we are able to change it, right? And of course, if you want to turn it off, just click here, simple. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.